Welcome back to our channel. The world of currency investment is brimming with opportunities and, of course, risks. One currency that consistently captures investor attention is the Iraqi Dinar, or IQD. For years, there's been speculation about its potential revaluation, sparking curiosity and excitement worldwide. Now that we're well into 2025, the big question is, could the Iraqi dinar finally make early investors rich this year? Let's dive into the factors that could drive its growth and what you need to know before getting involved. First, what exactly is the Iraqi dinar? It's the official currency of Iraq, in circulation since 1932. Its value has been historically volatile due to political instability, regional conflicts, and economic struggles. For a long time, the dinar has been significantly undervalued compared to major currencies like the US dollar and the euro. This undervaluation is the very thing that fuels speculation about a potential revaluation, or RV. A revaluation is a significant, official increase in a currency's value relative to others. If the Iraqi government decides to adjust the dinar's exchange rate, those who bought the currency at its current low price could see substantial profits. Imagine buying something for $1 and having its value jump to $10 or even $100 overnight. That's the dream. However, it's crucial to remember that these events are highly unpredictable and carry a massive amount of risk. So, why is everyone watching 2025? Several key factors are putting the Iraqi dinar back in the spotlight. First, economic stabilization. Iraq has been making real strides to stabilize its economy. We're talking about improving oil revenues, which are the lifeblood of their economy, attracting more foreign investment, and modernizing critical infrastructure. A stronger, more stable economy creates the perfect environment for a currency revaluation. Next, we have government plans. There are ongoing discussions within the Iraqi government about monetary reforms and potential adjustments to the dinar. While no official revaluation has been announced, the constant stream of rumors and speculative news keeps investor interest high. It's like a pot that's always simmering. Then there are global market trends, with inflation and currency fluctuations affecting economies worldwide. Many investors are looking for alternative assets to diversify their portfolios. The Iraqi dinar is seen by some as a high-risk, high-reward play in this uncertain landscape. It's a speculative bet on a nation's economic recovery. Let's talk about the potential gains. If the Iraqi dinar were to experience a significant revaluation this year, the returns for early investors could be truly remarkable. For example, someone who purchased a large amount of dinars at its historically low rates could potentially multiply their initial investment many times over. This sounds incredibly enticing. But again, I have to stress that these gains are purely speculative. No one, and I mean no one, can predict exactly when or even if a revaluation will occur. Historically, we have seen early adopters of undervalued currencies benefit immensely when reevaluations happen. Think about Kuwait after the first Gulf War. This is why many investors are buying Iraqi dinars, often in smaller amounts, as a long-term lottery ticket on potential future gains. They are betting on the long-term success and stability of Iraq. Now for the reality check. The risks and considerations. Investing in the Iraqi dinar is not a sure thing. Far from it. Here are some of the major risks you absolutely must consider. First and foremost, government announcements. The Iraqi government has not provided any confirmed timeline for a revaluation. Relying solely on rumors and internet chatter is a dangerous game. Then there are liquidity issues. Even if the dinar revalues, you might face challenges exchanging large amounts back into US dollars or other major currencies. The infrastructure for massive currency exchanges might not be ready, or banks could impose strict limits. Let's not forget economic and political instability. Any new political unrest or a sudden economic downturn in Iraq could negatively impact the dinar's value, potentially wiping out any potential gains before they even materialize. The region is notoriously volatile, and this is a risk that cannot be ignored. Finally, you have to be aware of fraud and scams. The hype around the dinar has attracted countless fraudulent schemes over the years. Unscrupulous dealers might sell you counterfeit notes or charge outrageous fees. It is absolutely crucial to only purchase through reputable, trusted dealers. You must approach any dinar investment with extreme caution, only investing what you can comfortably afford to lose. Treat it as a high-risk, speculative asset, not a guaranteed path to wealth. So, if you're still considering investing in the Iraqi dinar in 2025, here are some practical tips to follow. First, do your own research. Don't just listen to me or some random person online. Study Iraq's economy, its oil production reports, its political landscape, and the historical trends of its currency. Knowledge is your best defense. Second, buy from reputable dealers. I can't say this enough. Avoid scams by purchasing only through licensed and well-known currency exchangers. Check reviews, ask for credentials, and be skeptical of deals that sound too good to be true. Third, diversify your investments. Please do not put all your money into the Iraqi dinar. That's not investing. That's gambling. Spread your investments across safer assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance out the high risk of a speculative currency play. Fourth, stay updated. Monitor reliable news sources for information regarding Iraq's economy, official government announcements, and global currency trends. Timing and awareness can make a massive difference in this speculative market. And finally, be patient. A currency revaluation, if it ever happens, may not occur on your timeline. It could take months, years, or it may never happen at all. Long-term patience is an absolute necessity for anyone hoping to see potential gains from this type of investment. So, what's the bottom line? The Iraqi dinar presents a unique, high-risk, high-reward investment opportunity for 2025. The potential for significant gains is real if a revaluation occurs, but the risks are equally substantial. A smart investor will approach this market with caution, thorough research, and realistic expectations. In the end, the question isn't just whether the Iraqi dinar could make you rich. It's about whether you fully understand the risks, the timing, and the complex market dynamics to make an informed decision. For those willing to speculate wisely, the dinar remains an intriguing option, offering a chance for extraordinary returns, but only for the patient, well-prepared, and risk-tolerant investor. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next update. See you in the next video.